in our home, you could see seen dogs, cats yawning. Even I seen fishes also yawning in the video. Birds also can yawn. Penguins signals yawning that they are ready for mating. Snakes, after eating big foods, huge foods, so that they yawning takes place to unline its jaws. There is a one type of pig which is to yawn. They show their anger and threaten to opponent using the yawning. We the humans, we can we when we are in a wound, we start yawning. This is stated by the researchers. Why we are yawning? Are you saying that yawning because we could not have enough oxygen in the body? Did you believe that? And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. We intake a huge amount of air and provide oxygen to the brain to activate the brain. It is believed that many years back, but it's not. It is fake. If the not enough oxygen is there, the breathing problems will be taken. Sneezing, we can also fall down due to this oxygen. Not enough of oxygen is in their body. The latest researchers are given some explanations. We intake the huge amount of air and pass it to the mouth, not only mouth, nose, ears, all the possible ways we can intake the air, and then we regulate the heartbeat and then blood circulations. If it is regulates the heartbeat and blood circulation, if we regulate the heartbeat and blood circulation, we can cure the brain, so that it is yawning also doing this to control the brain each to become a cool brain. We can also relate the computer, because computer and brain it is similar, so that we can also compare. When the processes is get heated, the automatically the fan will be get rotate and get cooled the processor, so that in this similar way brain get tired or any information is get overloaded, the yawning will be reduce the heat and controls the tiredness. You can ask whether you can take ice and put it on our head, will we get cooled? Yes, because the researchers also doing this and given the experiment procedure. They take a hot pack and a cold pack and keep in the human head, and they check, but the hot pack man will be resulting of 41% of yawning, and cold pack head is 9% of yawning is output of the experiment. The next question will be arising that why we were copying the others yawning, because it is a kind of contagious yawning or social yawning, because we have a empathic behavior. It started by both by the birth of 4 or 5 years. We starting learning capacity will be high, so that we can acquire the empathic behavior from the others, so that when someone yawning, we can also yawn, so that we can yawn by the empathic behavior. The next theory is because is camel effect. You can know chameleon effect, or not conscious effect, yawning. Because if we means whether if you copying other character gestures or processes will be copying by other self, it is a chameleon effect. For example, we are copying someone's cough or any cleaning the throat. There are many type of neurons. There is a type of neurons. It is called a particular neurons called mirror neurons, which release the copions, which is act self defense or a awareness effect. If some people be running, we also run because uh, it is kind of self defense or awareness to the ourself. If someone says uh, you are running so that you are lazy, you want to say that I'm not lazy because my brain is get heated, so that to cool this brain I have yawned. Thank you.